Okay, today we're gonna test this Zoom H8 handy recorder. So pretty much, firstly we're gonna unbox this. Okay. Okay, first one is gonna be the manual. Oh, wow. Okay. And what's this one? This one is the attachable mic. And then we have the handy recorder itself. It's pretty much really small, which is I really like, because probably sooner or later we'll do some recording, probably outdoor. Yeah, pretty much looks good. And also with this one you could use a battery, or you could use a power bank to power this up. Yeah, pretty much it's really handy, compact. Check 1 2. Yeah, I think it sounds really good. Yeah, check 1 2. Yeah, it sounds really good. So we're gonna test this one using, by way of talking, using my guitar in here. I'm gonna use this one also. I'm gonna point the mic towards the guitar. So pretty much I'm gonna play some basic chord progression. I think it sounds really good, and it sounds really clear, and I don't know if you could hear the aircon noise at the background. Yeah, that sounds really clear. I think it's quite, yeah, it's quite good. But today I just gonna test the music apps and that's it. And pretty much next time I'm gonna try the other apps. probably that's it for testing this testing the touchable mic and also the music apps. And probably next time we're gonna test the other apps also. Probably I'm gonna try to record with drums, with bass, also with vocals. I'll see you guys next time, and probably yes, if you like these videos, subscribe, press the like button, or yeah, pretty much comment if you have some question. Okay, I'll see you guys next time, and this is Jonathan, and probably yeah, I'm gonna test this one again and give you some review again. Okay, thank you so much.